I'm going to go back to this one in a second, but first I'm also going to give me the opposite here, which is this will also be an async function. This will be the ability to go get one out of the database. And I'll show you why I'm doing this in a second. So that will take a UID. And if for some reason it is not given a UID, just return null. Otherwise, let's try to get it out of the database. So this is very similar to what we were doing with getting a post before. Firestore, this time the collection will be users. And the doc will be that UID. Now you could also do the doc users / UID. Both are fine. I'm mostly switching to show you that both work. And we'll get it. And so we should have that. And with that, we will return. A lot of the previous ones had the UID in that object. That's our key. So we want to combine the key with the value, much like we were doing with the posts earlier. So we can say UID. And then we'll say all the other user document data. Cool. And if that doesn't work, tell us about it in the console. Don't ever tell our users that something didn't work. Error fetching the user and give me the let's give me the error.message. We'll do that up there as well. I don't need the full thing. All right, one other thing, which is just a convenience that I'm going to do, is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get it after I create it. Mostly because otherwise I would have to create it and then go get it somewhere else. So I'm going to have this method return that user. OK, that was a lot of code. We hope it works. We hope I didn't make any boo-boos. None of you saw any boo-boos, so it's like we're all complicit if I made a typo. So that's good. I don't have to feel embarrassed then. So we have the ability to conditionally create one, and then we go and get it. Right? That is arguably, if that stressed you out at all, that is the most complicated Firestore query that we're going to write today. So you survived, hoping that it works. So we need to do this in two places, as we talked about before. We need to set this if they submit a form. And we also need to do it on the auth state changed. That way if they log in from the Google sign-in.